Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x minus 3 divided by x is equals to 3, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And here in the first method, we need to break this fraction, and we write this x separately on both of these two values. And after breaking this, it will be written as in this form. We write it as x divided by x minus 3 divided by x is equals to 3. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and you see here this x and this x are cancelled out by each other, and here we obtain 1 minus this. From here we have 3 over x is equals to 3. So here you see that our target is to find the values of x, so that's why we move this minus 3 over x to the right hand side, and we move this 3 to the left hand side. So it will be written as 1 minus 3 is equals to, this is negative term, when we move it into the right hand side it will becomes positive. So further in the next step, you see here 1 minus 3 becomes minus 2 is equals to 3 over x. And further you see here this x is divided by right hand side, and when we move this x to the left hand side, or in other words we multiply both of the sides by x. So here we're multiplying both of the sides by x. So when you multiply it by x, it will be written as minus 2 multiplied by x is equals to x is multiplied by 3 over x. And further in the next step, we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this will becomes minus 2x is equals to this x and this x are gone, and here we obtain 3 only. And further because we find the value of x, so that's why we divide both of the sides by minus 2, and when we divide by minus 2 it will be written as in this form. Now you see here we have this minus 2 and this minus 2 are cancelled out by each other, and we get the value of x is equals to minus 3 divided by 2. So this is the only one value of x which we get here from first method. And now here in the next step we need to verify that is this value of x be the solution, or is this value of x be the extraneous root. So for verification of this value we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x minus 3 divided by x is equals to 3. So this is the our given question statement, and here we substitute the above value of x into the left hand side, and we check its behavior. So when you put it here it will becomes minus 3 over 2 minus 3 divided by minus 3 over 2 is equals to 3 or not. This is the our claim. Further in the next step we move this minus 3 over 2 to the right hand side, and it will be written as minus 3 over 2 minus 3 is equals to 3 is multiplied by minus 3 over 2. So here we need more simplifications, and here we need to remove this fraction. So in order to remove this fraction we will just multiplying both of the sides by 2. So when we multiply each of these terms by 2 it will be written as 2 multiplied by minus 3 over 2 minus 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 2 multiplied by this 3 is multiplied by minus 3 divided by 2. And now here further in the next step we need more simplification. Then you see here this 2 and 2 are gone, and we get here minus 3 minus this is 2 times 3 becomes 6 is equals to this 2 and 2 are gone, and we get here 3 times 3 becomes minus 9. And you see here we have minus 3 minus 6 becomes minus 9 equals to minus 9. So this shows that both of the sides are equal, and if both of the sides are equal this means that the value of x is equals to minus 3 over 2 is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we will conclude about that the solution set of this problem is minus 3 over 2, which we get here from first method. So this is the final answer which we get here from first method. And now here in the next step we need to again solve this problem from second method. And I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And in the second method we need to first copy down the given question statement. Here it is x minus 3 divided by x is equals to 3. This is our given question statement. And here our second method be the very quick method, and here we quickly get the roots of this equation. So here we move this x to the right hand side, it is divided by, here when we move it into the right hand side it is multiplied by 3, and it will be written as x minus 3 is equals to 3 times of x. So here our target is to find the value of x, so that we move the variable terms to the right hand side. So that's why we move this x to the right hand side. So this is the positive term. When we move it into the right hand side it will becomes negative, and we write 3x minus x. And now further in the next step we have this is minus 3 is equals to 3x minus x becomes here 2x. And now further our target is to find the value of x. For this we need to remove this 2 from here, and in order to remove this 2 we will divide both of the sides by 2. So when we divide by 2 it will be written as this 2 and this 2 are gone, and we get here the value of x is equals to minus 3 divided by 2. So this is the value of x which we get here in the second method. But in the first method we already verified that this value of x is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we conclude about that the solution set of this problem is minus 3 divided by 2. So this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.